Hello, my dear friends. I hope you are happy. I hope you are doing well. Today, we will learn English through a simple and interesting story. This story uses easy words. The sentences are short. The story is easy to understand. So, relax. Listen carefully. Try to understand every sentence. If you hear a new word, do not worry. Just keep listening. You will learn English naturally. Now, let's begin our story. Once upon a time, there was a small village. The village was quiet. It was clean. Many trees grew there. Birds sang every morning. People knew each other. Everyone was kind. In this village lived a young boy. His name was Tom. Tom was 15 years old. He lived with his parents. His father was a farmer. His mother stayed at home. They were not rich, but they were happy. Tom was a good boy. He always smiled. He loved helping people.
He also loved learning English. English was his favorite subject. He wanted to speak English well. He dreamed of talking with people from many countries. But there was one problem. Tom was afraid. He was afraid to speak English. He knew many words. He understood many lessons. But when he wanted to speak, he became nervous. His voice became soft. Sometimes he forgot simple words. His classmates laughed at him. Some students said, "Your English is funny." Some said, "You cannot speak well." Tom felt sad, very sad. One day he came home quietly. He did not smile. His mother looked at him. She asked, "What happened, Tom?" Tom looked down. He said, "I want to speak English, but everyone laughs at me. I think I am not good enough." His mother smiled kindly. She sat beside him.
She held his hand. She said, "My son, every learner makes mistakes. Mistakes are teachers. They help us learn. If you stop now, you will never improve. But if you continue, you will become better every day." Tom listened carefully. His mother's words touched his heart. That night, he made an important decision. He said, "I will never give up." The next morning, Tom started a new habit. He woke up early. He looked in the mirror. He smiled. He said, "Good morning. My name is Tom. I am happy today. I can learn English. I can speak English." At first, his speaking was slow. He made many mistakes. Sometimes he stopped. Sometimes he forgot words, but he did not quit. Every day, he practiced for 20 minutes.
He read easy English books. He listened to simple stories. He watched English videos. He repeated every sentence. He copied the speaker. He spoke loudly. Slowly, his pronunciation became better. His confidence became stronger. One afternoon, Tom visited the village library. It was a small library. Many old books were there. An old man worked there. His name was Mr. David. Mr. David loved books. He also loved English. He saw Tom reading. He smiled. He asked, "Do you enjoy English?" Tom answered, "Yes, I do. But speaking is difficult." Mr. David laughed gently. He said, "Nothing is difficult forever. You only need practice." Then he gave Tom a small notebook. He said, "Write 5 new words every day. Write 1 sentence for each word. Read those sentences aloud." Tom thanked him. He took the notebook home. From that day, he followed the advice. Every morning, he learned 5 new words. Every evening, he reviewed them. Soon, his vocabulary became bigger. He could make more sentences. He could express more ideas. Weeks passed. Then months passed. One day, his English teacher announced something. There will be an English-speaking competition. The winner will receive a prize. Many students became excited.
Tom also wanted to join, but fear returned. He thought, "What if I fail? What if people laugh again?" That evening, he visited Mr. David. He shared his fear. Mr. David smiled. He said, "Fear is normal. Brave people also feel fear. The difference is this: they do not stop. They move forward." Tom thought about those words. Finally, he decided to join. Every day, he practiced his speech. He practiced at home. He practiced outside. He practiced while walking. He practiced before sleeping. His parents listened. His mother clapped. His father smiled proudly. Finally, competition day arrived. Many students came. Teachers sat in front. Parents also came. Tom's heart beat fast. His hands were shaking. He took a deep breath. Then his name was called. He walked onto the stage. For a few seconds he said nothing. Everyone looked at him. He remembered his mother's words. He remembered Mr. David's advice. He smiled. Then he began speaking. "Good morning, everyone. My name is Tom. I love learning English. When I started, I made many mistakes. People laughed at me, but I did not stop.
I kept learning. I kept practicing. Today, I am standing here. If I can improve, you can improve too." Everyone listened quietly. His voice became stronger. His smile became brighter. He finished his speech. For a moment, the room was silent. Then everyone clapped loudly. The teachers smiled. His classmates smiled too. Some students even said, "Great job, Tom." Tom felt very happy. He did not win first prize. He won second prize. But he did not feel disappointed. For him, something more important happened. He defeated his fear. That was his biggest victory. After the competition, many students came to him. They asked, "How did you improve?" Tom smiled. He answered, "I practiced every day. I never gave up." Soon, Tom started helping others. He created a small English club. Every Saturday, students met together. They read stories, they asked questions, they answered questions, they played English games. Nobody laughed at mistakes. Everyone encouraged each other. The club became popular. More students joined. The village became known for its English club. Years later, Tom became an English teacher.
He loved his job. Every new student heard the same message. Do not fear mistakes. Speak every day. Read every day. Listen every day. Believe in yourself. Many students became confident. Many achieved their dreams. Tom always smiled. He remembered the little boy who was once afraid. He thanked his parents. He thanked Mr. David. Most importantly, he thanked himself, because he never gave up. And that changed his life forever. Moral of the story: success does not come in one day. Small steps bring big results. Mistakes help us learn. Practice makes us stronger. Confidence grows little by little. Never compare yourself with others. Compare yourself with yesterday. Keep learning. Keep speaking. Keep believing. One day, your dream will come true. Conclusion. My dear friends, I hope you enjoyed today's story. Stories are a wonderful way to learn English. They help you remember new words. They help you understand grammar naturally. They also improve your listening and speaking skills. Do not worry if you do not understand every word today. Listen to this story again. Each time you listen, you will understand more. Read the subtitles if you need help. Repeat the sentences aloud. Copy the pronunciation. Speak with confidence. Remember, fluency does not come from perfection. It comes from daily practice. Every small effort brings you closer to your goal. Keep learning, keep listening, keep speaking. Never give up. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this story, please like this video, share it with your friends, and subscribe to Smooth English Talks for more easy English stories and speaking lessons. See you in the next video. Have a wonderful day. Goodbye.